DJ. What we got there? Is that cut bait?
Yeah.
Yep. Use that for what? Catfish? Yep. Use that for catfish.
I don't know. So I shut it like this. Boom.
Yep. What kind of fish is it? Bluegill. Yep.
If I just red, shut it like this. It hurt it red.
Yep. Is that blood?
Blood.
Yep.
It's in the tummy.
Yeah. That's the tummy of the fish.
Yeah.
Is it slimy?
Yeah, it's tummy.
Yeah. Look at the guts. Look at the guts. Man, that's some good stuff though.
Oh.
Catfish love it. It's like cookies to them. Yep. They eat that. That's yum yum.
Yeah.
You want
Look,
that?
his tail.
Yep. That's the tail part.
When I hold two hands.
Oh man.
When I hold two hands, here we go.
You caught that fish earlier, right?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna use him to catch bigger fish.
Yeah. It just hurt it off.
Yeah. Look at that.
Hurt. Yeah, Matt. A marsh like that.
Yep.
It took that tail.
Yep. There you go. That's what it used to look like. Something like that.
You did that part.
Yeah.
Did. Oh, he got his legs on. Ooh. What?
Yep.
Stuck it tight. That is fat. That's just fat.
Alright. Say what's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?